Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Summer has gone and we have entered into the rainy season. So mangoes are gone and we have entered the season of palm fruits. Yes, in short, these palm fruits are nothing but the ice apples which we leave it to the tree, they turn into this ripened palm fruits. So this is how we get palm fruits. So these have an amazing smell, and if you prepare this palm fruit or toddy palm fruit cake, trust me, you will ask for more. So let me show you how to prepare this palm fruit cake simply at home itself. So all you need is to select fresh ripened palm fruits and remove the outer coat like this. Peel it and you will find 3 seeds inside it like this, and then remove the outer skin, just only the outer skin without any fibers while you're removing. So after removing it, see, the skin will be left out and you'll have this seeds in your hand. Now take a bowl and just wet your hand and start massaging it gently so that the pulp in the palm fruit comes out to your hand like this. Now in the middle you can just wet it with little amount of water. Don't wet your hand too much, otherwise the pulp will become in a very liquidy manner, so don't do that mistake. Now take a sieve and take this seed in your hand and just scrub it as you scrub the utensils when you wash it. Then you can have an amazing pulp. That is, this palm fruit just resembles the pulp of a mango and the color also, but it has a better and amazing flavor and taste. So see, this palm fruit pulp we have removed easily. This is a simple tip or hack. You can remove it like this with the help of a sieve if you have it at your home. Now remove the pulp from the remaining seeds and put it aside. Now take a bowl and add 2 cups of rice rava. This is also called as biyam rava or vari nuka. So take this rice rava and to add 2 cups of it and then put it aside. Now with the cup which we have taken the rice rava, add half a cup of water into it and slowly add water little by little and just see that the entire rava gets wet. So you need to mix it well from up and down like this from all the sides and check whether the entire rava got wet or not. Otherwise add little more and then allow it to settle for 1.5 hours. Now close the lid and allow it to settle for 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, after soaking it nicely, see, you will get a nice texture like this. This has become dry and also very grainy in texture. Now this is the right time you need to add the pulp which we have put aside. Now for 2 cups of rice rava, we need to add 3 cups of the palm fruit pulp into this. Now add 3 cups of palm fruit pulp into this and mix nicely so that the rava gets coated nicely with the pulp. Now for this cake, we need to add 1 full cup of jaggery. That is for this entire recipe. Now I have blended it nicely and add the powdered jaggery into this and then mix it nicely. Now for 2 cups of rice rava, we need 3 cups of palm fruit pulp and 1 cup of jaggery. That's it. Now take a pan and add 10 to 12 tablespoons of oil. We need a little bit more oil because this is a thick palm fruit cake, so it needs much oil to cook. So add the entire mixture into the pan and slowly spread it evenly on the top of it. So your flame should be on low and you need to cook on low flame. You need to slow cook this palm fruit cake. Now slowly you need to spread the edges as shown here. Now once you're done with this, close the lid and allow it to cook for 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. For better results, what I have done is I have placed a pan under the I have placed a tawa under the pan so that the flame will spread evenly and the cake gets cooked evenly from the bottom as well. Now close the lid and allow it to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Now this palm fruit cake is very healthy because it is rich in potassium, vitamin A and vitamin C. You have an amazing health gut problems. This will solve your health gut problems as well as your digestion problems also. And see, the edges are removed nicely. Now this is the time you need to flip the cake on the other side. What I have done here is I have taken banana leaves and have placed on top of it and a plate that settles on top of it, and then I have flipped it over gently, and then again I added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in the pan and allow it to cook for 5 other minutes. so that the other side of the cake also gets baked nicely and it turns into a beautiful golden brown color like this. That's it, your toddy palm fruit cake is all ready. Isn't it delicious and tempting? So if you have palm fruits around, or try for a palm fruit and try this recipe at your home, and I'm sure you'll truly enjoy this and you just can't resist for one or two pieces. You will ask for more. So if you like this video, please let me know how it turned to you in the comment section, and also please do like, share and comment, and also if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe. Thank you.